Good morning, my name is Yowen, matrix number 279878. Today, I would like to present about construction machineries. It is a mechanized equipment designed to perform construction operations. There are a few classifications of construction equipment. Firstly, power shovel is to excavate the earth and to load the trucks. Next, backhoe is generally used to excavate trenches, also for grading work which require precise control of depth. Next, scrappers is a unique machine for digging and long-distance hauling. Stretching machine is used for excavating pipelines and others. Draglines is useful for digging below its track levels and handling softer materials. Then, tractors is a multi-purpose machine used mainly for pulling and pushing the other equipment. Bulldozer is mainly used for spreading the earth field, and the main feature for the clamshell is vertical lifting of a material from one location to another. Next, earth compaction equipment includes smooth wheel rollers. It is used for rolling work without deep compaction. Ship foot rollers is used where deep compaction is needed. Lastly, pneumatic tire rollers is most suitable for compacting well-grounded sands. Hauling equipment is the equipment used for transportation of material. Haulers may operate on the roadways or railways. There are two classifications on the basis of metals dumping the load, which are dump trucks and dumpers. Side or rear dump trucks are heavy-duty trucks which are suitable for use in hauling wet clays. Bottom dump trucks are similar to semi-trailers which are suitable to use in hauling hard clays. Dumpers are suitable for short hauls on rough roads. Hoisting is the lifting a weight from one location and moving it to another location. Hoisting equipment includes cranes, which is the only single machine which is capable of providing 3D movement of a weight. Cranes are broadly classified into 5. Firstly, overhead and gantry cranes, which is widely used in erection foundry steel plants. Next, traveler cranes is an overhead crane consists of crabs or other hoisting apparatus traveling on rails. Thirdly, derrick crane is used for heavy loads up to 200 tons. Then, mobile cranes are a truck cranes with high mobility. Lastly, tower cranes are usually used for industrial and residential with high-rise building. Conveying equipment is an equipment for transporting materials from one place to another over a stationary structure. When the equipment does horizontally, it is known as conveyor, and when it is done vertically, it is known as elevator. The advantages of conveyor are it increases the output, it facilitates the continuity in operation, it results in time saving, and there are no waiting periods. Some of the popular conveyors are as follows. Belt conveyor is used when a large quantity of material have to be conveyed over a long distance at a very fast speed. Next, screw conveyor is widely used for handling granular or pulverized material. Besides that, bucket conveyor is mainly used in coal handling where bucket elevators carry the materials vertically. Lastly, aerial transport used with advantages for transportation of materials in hilly regions and to reduce the cost of transportations. For this topic, aggregate has to be produced at the site if the quantity needed is very large. Therefore, in any project where the concrete requirement is very high, an aggregate preparation and the processing plant is essential to complete the concreting operations. Crushers are mainly used in aggregate production equipment to reduce the size of the large stone to a smaller uniform size aggregate required for concrete mixing. Crushing consists of pressure, impact, attrition, and a combination of these operations. There are a few types of crusher. For primary crusher, terms implies that at least 2 stages of crushing are involved. Examples of crusher are jaw crusher and gyratory crusher. Cone crusher and roll crusher are considered as a secondary or tertiary crusher. Hammer mill is a primary or secondary crusher, while the last one, rod mill and ball mill, are a tertiary crusher. For concrete production equipment, we have a concrete production plant to mix different ingredients in the required proportions. It consists of storage bins for storing materials like cement and admixture. The last part is pile driving equipment. It is a process of pile driving involves lifting the piles into position, holding it into refusal or to specific depth. So this is all from me presenting the construction machineries. Thank you.